Hey guys, all right, so we are here again, and I don't know why this happens to me, but does it ever happen to you guys where you're just like, I can't stand it anymore. I've got to figure out a better system. I'm gonna organize, I'm gonna reorganize, and I'm gonna get this amazing system down. And in your head, it's like, oh yeah, like that's gonna come together like nothing. I'm gonna put everything in a container. I'm gonna have a place for everything. That's my life must be a place for everything. If my life isn't a place for everything, it'll end up like my office looks like right now, which I will not show you because I shall not open myself up to internet scorn. But it's not good, we'll just say that. And so along one of those rabbit trail thoughts that I have, I was like, I've got all these foundations. What if I just combined them all into sort of like a pump bottle, like a soap pump bottle? Because they're not that expensive. I picked this one up at Hobby Lobby for about, I tried to take the sticker off, but I think it was like maybe at the most it was $4. And it's, I think this was like 8 ounces. So like I've got hundreds of foundations. I could at least fit 8 of them, and then like if I could fit 8 and then in another one and then in another one, like so I mixed a bunch of my foundations in this. I don't even remember which ones they were tested, they've been tried, all of it. You guys have seen videos on them all because every foundation I have has been tried online or on YouTube. And so what I'm gonna do today is we're gonna try this and see how well it works. Like, doesn't that sound like a great idea? If you've got like thousands of foundations, just mix them all together, one big pump bottle, then you got one pump bottle, not 20, 25, 30, 35 bottles on your makeup table. Doesn't that sound better? Doesn't it sound like a great idea? Please put in the comments if that sounds like a great idea. So I'm gonna try it today. We'll see what happens. In the end, like, I mean, I don't know if you guys have been along with me for the ride, but I've already gotten like pump bottles because I thought, oh, they'll all be the same shape and size. It'll cut down, like it'll streamline, it'll be, anyway. So we've gone from this to this, and we're still gonna try it. One of these days I'm gonna have a beautifully organized vanity table. One of these days it's going to happen, but along the way you do go through some bumps. Sponge is ready, it's nice and damp. I also do have a couple of foundation brushes, so let's just try it. Like, I've been mixing this up for days. I mean, I've been planning this for days, or like it was an idea in my head for days. So we're just gonna try it. Let's see what happens. Now, be prepared. One thing that I have found, oh, it worked out so good. The pump was perfect. One thing I found, especially with these tiny pump bottles, is sometimes the liquid is just too thick. So it doesn't really pump out very well. So that's something to note if you guys are interested in getting like one of these, like all these little pump bottles and stuff. So the liquid or the substance inside the bottle can't be too thick or it won't come through the little straw. Oh. Okay, it's very creamy. Again, I mixed up a bunch of foundations in here. Okay, so I'm gonna do one side sponge, one side brush. We'll just see what happens. The shade looks good. It's very creamy. Oh, what? All right, so far I'm looking good. Okay, so first thing, like, it's looking amazing. The coverage is sort of medium, I would say. Like, it's kind of light. I don't know, it feels sort of like light coverage, but like good, decent, natural coverage. It's looking perfect. Like, this is the best mixture of foundation that I've tried in a long time, and I wish, I really wish I could tell you which ones it was, but look how beautiful it's looking. It's all glowy and just beautiful looking. And like right here, ladies, like, don't we know that I've been dealing with eczema? Like, this side is the worst side under this eye, but right here in this little area, like you can probably see it a little bit, I've had a little bit of that eczema as well, and it's been more raised on this side, and it's not catching that badly at all. It's looking really good. Okay, so I'm gonna say so far sponge side, it's a winner. Let's try the brush side and just see what happens. Okay, so you can kind of see, like, I don't know if you can tell, but this whole patch, like right there, especially right there, is the eczema patch. And I know, like, I know I've been talking about this. I will say, like, it is sticking to that and it is sort of like accentuating it. But still, the foundation itself is looking good. But can you see, like, look right there? No matter what I do, you see it? Like that hole all up in my pores, like, it's like all the little pores just collect it. And no matter what I do, it's just a thing that happens. So, yeah, I don't know, ladies, like, this side is good, fine, no problem with the pores or anything. I feel like this is actually a decent idea. The mixture that comes up through the straw, the little pipe, it came out very easily. It didn't come splashing out and making a mess all over everything. I think my idea is sound. Like, I will probably use this again. Even though, like, this is happening, the rest of it looks really good. So thank you guys so much for watching. And again, like, I'm gonna be wearing this for the rest of the day and it's looking good so far. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe, ding my bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.